strawberry maple yogurt bark. So refreshing, so easy to make, and so easy to eat. Stay tuned. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Cori. I'm your host, Chef Cori Doern, and I'm also a proud media spokesperson for Foodland Ontario. And today I'm making a really wonderful, refreshing, easy peasy snack, dessert, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it delicious. It is a strawberry maple yogurt bark that comes together very quickly using beautiful Ontario strawberries. I've got some yummy Greek yogurt. I've got some white chocolate chips here, some Ontario maple syrup, some vanilla, and some pistachios. And that's how easy it is. It all comes together very, very quickly. The thing that you have to wait for is the freezing time. So I'm going to get started, and I'm going to add my lovely Greek yogurt. And it's up to you if you want to go with a high fat, full fat, no fat. Recipe is just a guideline. However, I am going to say, as I always say, these recipes from Foodland Ontario are amazing and really minimal tweaking, if any. So now I'm going to add my Ontario maple syrup to this. And after I tried this recipe, I'm going to tell you, I'm never buying vanilla yogurt again, because this maple syrup with the vanilla just, so perfectly sweet, just absolutely delicious. I could probably eat this entire brick, whatever. Not tell anybody that you're making it, maybe, just in case when you do a taste, you end up eating the whole thing. So I'm incorporating everything nicely with my spatula. And this is where the fun part comes in. I'm going to put it on any kind of dish you want. It's totally up to you. I like using this because it's freezer safe. And once it's all mixed up nice, what I do is I put it right into the center, making sure to get every last bit out of your bowl. I'm going to say there's no spoons to lick here or bowls to clean out with your finger, because you want every little bit of this gorgeous yogurt maple bark ready to go. Okay, and you want it to be a little bit thick. So while you're spreading it out, try to keep in mind to keep it about an inch, maybe half an inch to an inch thick. And you can shape it any way you want. You're just going to need about 2 hours of freezer time to make sure that it sets nicely. And if you're in a hot room, do remember that this will melt quickly. But this is great on its own or as a topper on something. Again, it's totally up to you. And this is where your inner artist is going to come forward. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be very decorative with my beautiful Ontario strawberries, because while the Greek yogurt with the maple syrup and the vanilla make it nice and sweet, these beautiful Ontario strawberries really pull it all together. And once they get frozen, oh my gosh, it's just, it's like sweet but tart. It just brings all of those flavors that say, oh, it's summertime. And the best thing is, Ontario strawberries are available all year long. So this is one of those recipes that you can make for any season and really be a star. It looks like one of those recipes that took a long time to make, but really it's super, super fast. So now I've got my strawberries, and now I'm going to sprinkle some of my white chocolate. I find that the higher up I go, the more coverage I get. Just one of those chef's tips. If I go a little low, then it doesn't seem to, it's more specific. There we go. And I'm going to do the same thing with my lovely pistachios. And you can chop these up, cut these up, keep them chunked, whatever. It's up to you. But I love the pop that it gives to this lovely bark. The crunchiness of the pistachio with the sweet white chocolate and the beautiful Ontario strawberries. Fantastic. And when you're satisfied with the aesthetic and you're happy with the way it looks, like I am, you're going to put it in your freezer for about 2 hours. And when you're done, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous strawberry maple yogurt bark. Go to foodlandontario.ca to get this recipe. You're going to love it.